so I probably should have filmed, but I removed the intake and the inlet. I'm waiting for the inlet to come in the mail right now, but there's the turbo. I feel like I see oil on it. Oh well, I ain't worried about it. That bolt right there is a bit of a pain in the ass to get to, but honestly, out of everything on the entire install, this top one, this bottom vacuum line was the hardest to remove. Once again, like wired turbo components made out of this flimsy ass plastic. I have a CTS turbo intake. I wrapped the shit out of it in this stuff. I really don't care how it looks because I mean I've seen this stuff in action, and you could take a torch directly to it and it'll still hold temps 100 degrees lower. So stock intake has a little muffler in it. It's like foam. I didn't film the install because there's like a million installs for this. Not a million, but like there's a lot of intake installs for my car on YouTube. So I didn't really think I needed to film the whole install. I did the inlet too. I haven't seen a video on the FTP inlet. I probably should have filmed that part, but I'm not worried about it. Like it's not that, I don't know, it's not that big of a deal to me. But dude, the intake is so loud. Like all I hear is turbo noise now, especially like a blow off sound. Like that's the #1 thing that's so loud now. I mean, they're just so loud. It doesn't feel fast or nothing. It was all for sounds. I know that these cars don't benefit a lot from intakes. I really only bought it for turbo sound. I'm gonna try to get flyby clips and like some revving clips later. I can't right now. I'm gonna take a shower, probably meet up with my cousin, and then try to get clips then. I told you, bro. I knew. They have them all over places like this. That water nasty. Just think that view, Marcus. It's all about the angles, baby.
Alpina logo too. It looks like a fucking HRV logo.
So cool.